mountain. Where's the water coming from? There's that much rain in this world? For 24/7 to go all day for 20 years? There's that much rain? First I know is there waterfalls that are thousands of feet in the air. Where is that water coming from? How is it getting up that high? Is it going up the mountain? To be 24/7 for there to be water falling down 14,000 feet? You know how much water is 14,000 feet of water? It's a couple gallons.
While we were at the Creation Evidence Museum, a gentleman had showed us something he brought back from Peru. It's a fossil clam, but that's not the incredible thing. It's what's inside. Friends, that's soft tissue that has been fossilized, and that doesn't happen over millions of years. It has to be done rapidly, and a worldwide flood would explain that.
Climb Mount Everest, 1953, they began to find something strange up near the top of Mount Everest. They began to find petrified clams in the closed position. Up in Peru, 2 miles above sea level, recently they found giant oysters, 11.5 feet wide, weighing 600 pounds. Petrified oysters in the closed position. How do you get petrified closed clams on top of Mount Everest? I think there was a flood.
I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you try.